Hi traders, this is Berto, and this is an update of the price action tutorial I sent yesterday. And we had a trade signal on pound Japanese yen. And here is the hammer on a 4-hour chart. Market had rallied for about the entire day. Notice the stochastics indicator was overbought at the time the hammer appeared. And if you remember, we needed confirmation on this hammer. So the body of the candle needed to close below the hammer for a trade signal to trigger. And this candle here closed below the hammer. So that was the entry. So far up 112 pips on this trade. And the target is the next swing low, which is here. It's very close to the target. Okay. So that's how you trade price action using a stochastic indicator with a 14, 5, and 3 setting. You can do this on a 4-hour chart, daily chart, even on the 1-hour chart. The higher the time frame that you see these setups, the more powerful, the more pips you'll make. Here was another trade here. Notice the stochastics indicator oversold. And we have an inside bar. That's another out of the 8 reversal candlestick pattern. This is another. We have a hammer. This is called an inside bar. Notice that the body of the candle closed inside the previous candle. And to confirm this trade, we needed price to break above this candle. And it did. And we would enter on this candle, and the market went up for about about an entire day, 24 hours. Then it gave us this hammer, which is a reversal pattern. Stochastics is overbought, and this is a trade to the downside. Okay. Again, if you have any questions, please email me. I will continue to send tutorials on price action for the next week, and the next trade signal will come out tomorrow. Sorry, I did not send this trade signal because the market moved so much. When I entered this trade, I didn't have time to send a signal. But we should have some really good trade setups tomorrow, and I'll send it out later today. Okay, have a good trading day.